situation. I want to go to Ipoh still, but it's New Year and I was thinking that I can come here and buy ticket like the way that I go to Malacca, but the lines are horrible. Like 100 people in front of me, they are waiting to go and reach to ticket counter. So let's see if I can find bus ticket and going there today. So you remember I said this bus terminal is more look like airport. I went to buy water and I find that even shops are like airport. The water that you can buy 2.5 or 3 ringgit outside, here is 8 ringgit, something like $2 for one water. It's really crazy, and when you pass you cannot back, totally like airport.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shanti Road. This video is about my traveling to Ipoh. Ipoh is a city which located in north of Malaysia, and it has a wonderful nature and noble temples.
So I arrived to Ipoh. It's generally 3 hours from the center of Kuala Lumpur to here, but because of the really heavy traffic of New Year, it takes something like 4 hours 30 minutes. They stopped really far from center and I should take another bus, which is this one, to go to the center, and it's rainy but not a heavy rain, so it was a bit tiring, and just that, going to Ipoh. I cannot find any word to describe here. It's so beautiful. This nature mixing with these temples are just amazing, just breathtaking. I really, when I see this place, I'm sure with this really low light because of the clothes, we cannot I cannot show it in the video, but it's amazing. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. They are all caves, and they made this temple at the middle of this cave with all these screens. So I have an important question. Do they eat just tomato or just they feed them by tomato? Because everything just tomato for them. Small houses, small people they made there. Good texture of the street. How amazing. So this is street from there start until you go end of this street is all cave temples, which we enter one by one to see how are they. Oh, this one has a totally different style. This one is somehow look like Nepal temples, like monkey temple, that gold head. Yes, even this one's the colors are more like that area. They have these 5 colors of Tibet. Like in Nepal, they also use it. This blue, white, red, green and yellow color. Should be someone important. Sorry, do you know who's this guy? This picture?
This picture is my guru, my teacher.
Oh, okay.
So he teach our Dharma, teach our way to practice our Dharma. He's our teacher.
But he's
still here.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
He is Dong Se Garap. You can search online. You can see.
Can you say again?
Dong Se Garap.
Don't say it. Thank you.
This is new one. This is old one.
Ah, okay.
So maybe it's passed away, but all the detail will be right here. And here's my guru. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see a little bit more detail you better online.
Okay, thank you. Thank
It's,
you so much.
English and Chinese.
I saw actually these colors
So
because these colors in Nepal I also saw that they
you
said
can
from
see
Tibet.
this is a very traditional Bhutan tradition. Like the beside there, you can see the monastery. It's slightly different. There's Chinese.
Yes, I saw
Yes.
that one.
Yeah.
So beautiful, but
Also beautiful. You can take. So it's, here is slightly different a bit.
yes, what is the difference? That one is Chinese.
Because
this one is for
that one
Bhutan
is,
and Tibet.
Cool.
Okay.
Yes.
Different. Yeah, that one is more like red and more.
But the meaning is the same.
Yes.
In the Buddhist Dharma is the same, but our traditional is different.
Different. Yes.
Yeah.
Both beautiful, amazing.
So
amazing.
both also can mix together.
You are from Malaysia? Or?
Yeah, I'm Malaysian.
Malaysian.
I'm Malaysian Chinese.
She was so nice and kind, and she asked me if I'm interested about doing some course here or some meditation. I told her that I already passed 2 times Vipassana in Nepal and Thailand, but I'm so interested to know more. And always, when you go to this kind of things, to this spiritual way, you always want more, and as much as you go more, you understand that you know less. So I said I love to, but unfortunately I don't have enough time in Malaysia. Next week her master come here, and it was a really good opportunity to meet him and learn something from him, but I don't have time and I will not be here, unfortunately. So temple's finished, but here is a way to go to some nature, I guess. So I continue to see how is it. It seems so amazing. They don't seem much happy of me passing from here. The tree is so beautiful. I cannot believe it. All the roots are in the mountain. Okay, guys, we are leaving. Okay. So they write to be careful about these dogs, but I didn't see. I was taking video. They're so beautiful. They are Japanese, right? Hello. They are Japanese?
Indonesia.
You are from Indonesia. So these trees are from Taiwan. So different style and beautiful. First I thought that they are Japanese, but I asked this guy and he said no, they are from Taiwan. Amazing. Oh, look at them. I never saw them in this size. But they have more smell of fire. This one's also another shape. I don't like these cars here. They changed the view. So temples of Ipoh. I'm in this area of Ipoh finished. But I want to explore some more places. Some lakes are around, so let's go and see the nature around here. What is this fruit?
Pomelo.
Pomelo.
Yes.
Sweet and sour.
Oh, it's like orange. There's another temple, but because of those dogs, I couldn't pass. Yeah, this one is so small and not busy. Oh, they're so big. Why? I actually don't know what should I call this animal. Something like really huge lizard, but they are really shy. Every time I see them, they are in these small rivers, like something like this, or in city, and they are not coming out. They are so terrified of human. So strange. Yes, go. They are not dangerous. So this cave is going to Mirror Lake, which is something like 30 minutes walking by that temple, which I walked from there. And after this, oh, it's so beautiful. So here you will go to water, but it's worth it because it has a really amazing view. So there are actually 2-3 more places near here, but my water bottle finished, and it's really strange, but they didn't sell any water here. It was just these machines that you could buy water, and they didn't accept money or card. You had to pay like online with Grab or PayPal, something like this. And it was so strange for me because lots of people here, it's holiday, and lots of people, and more than 4 or 5 shops are here. They are selling foods, and I asked them for water, and they said no, just a machine, and machine don't work with money. It's just, and I'm so thirsty, I cannot continue, so I have to back home. But it was beautiful. It was a really nice experience in Ipoh. A street massage. I never see it like this, but it's so interesting. They have here some like small shops like this, and in few of them you can find foot massage, back massage, without anything. Just one person sit on the chair and massage you.
Discovering Perak was an unique experience in Malaysia travel. Wish you enjoyed.